How do you pack 6 months of traveling into a backpack? That is the question I'm answering today, or how I'm planning to do it, especially considering that we are starting our trip next week already. So that is really arriving. It's almost here. And the problem I have found so far is, how do you do it considering we're going to be going through a different range of ecosystems, temperatures, altitudes especially, and that sort of complexifies things a little bit. But let me show you how I've done it and how I can, or I intend to, fit everything into one simple backpack. So I've laid everything down here in my bed. Yes, I know that is the cheapest shit from IKEA, don't judge me. And I've sort of divided things into a few different sections. I've sort of divided it into electronics and recording material that you probably wouldn't need it, then into summer clothes, then into winter or a bit more cold weather clothes, and then some others that are optional, so to speak. So let's start with the electronics and all the things that I'm going to be bringing so I can record this trip and share it with you. This is probably something that you wouldn't want to bring it yourself. First of all, I'm bringing my action camera. This is a brand new DJI Action 4. And as you can see, I'm bringing with it its selfie stick that I can attach the camera to, and 3 extra batteries. I will have as well a international power adapter, so I can bring anywhere and make sure that I can plug everything into it. And another selfie stick, another stick that can float underwater. I bought it especially for Galapagos and all the time that we're going to be doing some kind of diving or scuba diving, that is useful for that. And on top of that, of course, an external storage of 2 terabytes that I have for many years now. And the last but not least is going to be my laptop. This is an old laptop, and unfortunately it's only good enough to edit in 1080, so I won't be able to record in 4K. Oh well, that is that is something. If the channel goes well, I promise I'll buy a better laptop and I will edit in 4K. The DJI can record in 4K, my phone can record in 4K. That is what I'm recording with now. And of course, I'm bringing the microphone I'm recording this with. In terms of miscellaneous stuff, small wallet, so cards and stuff, a lock, a cap, sunglasses, and a towel. Of course, I'm bringing as well my passport, a couple pictures, the vaccination card, and the international driving license. That's all in there. And as well, I'm bringing these 2 things. This is a travel pillow, very small, but it should be good for buses and stuff. And this one is a meat sack. I didn't know about its existence until I was in a cockroach-infested hotel in Sri Lanka, and as I don't want that to happen again to me, I decided to buy it. And at least if I'm in a terrible hotel, I can sort of like have a layer between me and the shits, which is always interesting. Kindle, bag of toiletries, and 1 liter water bottle I can bring anywhere. And this, I'm still doubting if bringing it with me or not. It's like extra backpack, 20 liters, but it feels quite terrible quality, to be honest. So I'm not sure. And the last thing of miscellaneous, of course, I'm bringing my headphones. That is something you sort of need to bring with you, because yeah, it's long travels, long distances. But summer clothes, I sort of decided to settle for 5 days of traveling plus 1 that I will be carrying on myself, and hopefully that will be enough. I'll be washing every other day or something like that, even myself. Hopefully that will be fine. So shorts, swimsuit, and these are 3 merino t-shirts that I'm hopefully, they dry very quickly, they shouldn't smell, so that should be good. And a couple of decent looking t-shirts, because my girlfriend was insisting on that. She wanted me to look like a normal human being when we go out in the city or whatever. So that makes five t-shirts. I'm not sure yet. I might add long sleeve sports t-shirt or something like that. I'm not sure yet, but I need to decide this before leaving. 1 pajama. So that makes 5. I'm hoping that most of our trip will go through hot places and warm places, so that should cover most of the trip. Then for winter clothes, I bought 3 main things, or I'm bringing 3 main things. One is this sort of like rain and wind jacket that I bought. It's very nice. This is again a Merinos hoodie, which hopefully will be nice, and a long pant that is as well detachable. So those 3 things hopefully will cover most of it. I'm realizing most of these things are from Decathlon. This is unfortunately not a sponsored video, but if you know someone at Decathlon and they want to sponsor the video, well, I'll be very happy to get money from them. Now, I mean, jokes aside, this is not sponsored. I just happen to have bought a lot of things from them somehow. And last couple of things are, of course, socks, underwear, and because I'm running a marathon in December, that is while I'm going to be bringing some running clothes, so I don't want to stop running during the trip. And then there's a couple of things extra. I'm not sure if I'll bring them or not. Those are these pants as well, so I look a bit more human and presentable, not sure yet. And this is a technical, so base layer if it's really cold. But yeah, I'm not very sure. Let's see how it goes. If I have a space, I might throw it in. If not, if it's cold, I'll just buy it if I need it eventually. So that is, in terms of clothes, what I'm bringing, unless I'm forgetting something. And in terms of equipment, a few more cables, obviously, like phone charger and stuff. But that is the base. And then, in terms of shoes, I've settled for 3 pairs of shoes. Might be a bit too much, but I've settled for 3 pairs of shoes. Let me show it to you. The first one is a very sort of ugly pair of sandals that I can use. So like if we are walking, and if we are at the beach, if we are in the swimming pool, or if we are, I don't know, in the showers in the hostel or something to protect myself. The second pair will be my daily beaters, and those are some Salomon trail running shoes. I don't intend to use them as trail running shoes, but maybe hiking and city and all that kind of stuff. And the third pair of shoes are my Asics, my running Asics, so I can train during this trip. They already have quite a few kilometers, so the idea is just really to use them to the max and throw them away as soon as the trip is over. So yeah, that is the base of what I want to bring to this trip. Let me try to pack it up, see if it fits, see how it fits in the backpack. It's 50 liters, and yeah, let's continue. Okay, so I have fitted most of my things in my backpack. As you can see, it sort of fits, it's not a problem. Hopefully it will be less than 10 kilos, although it feels quite heavy. And yeah, the couple things that are missing is something I will bring on another small backpack, or I just need to use tonight and tomorrow. And then we are off to Guatemala. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this little chill packing video. And then, yeah, next week we are new video about Antigua, Guatemala. Hope you enjoy. Hope you have a nice weekend and see you again next week.